Good morning, friends, and welcome to the channel. It is about 9:30 on day 3 of our trip, and we are just about to cross the Murti river on our way to Chilapata. Today, we will cover about 90 kilometers through Nagrakata, Banarhat, Binnagudi, Birpada, and finally cross the Torsha river near Hashimara to reach the Chilapata forest. This journey should take us no more than 2 hours, even with plenty of breaks along the way. The first part of the journey crosses the Chilapata Wildlife Sanctuary. It is the same road that we took for the safari today morning. In case you haven't watched that video, please click on the I button on the top right corner. Shortly, we come to a fork in the road. The Chandrachur Tower lies straight ahead, while we are going to take left towards Khunia Mode on our journey towards Alipurduar. The Khunia Mode is located in the middle of the Chapramadi Wildlife Sanctuary. The road straight ahead heads to Samsing, Santalekhola, Jhalong and Bindu, situated in the Himalayan foothills. Shiliguri is to the left, and we are going to take a right towards Guwahati on our journey to Chilapata. We have just crossed the Jaldhaka river and are heading towards
It is flanked by beautiful tea gardens on both sides, and you can see the misty blue mountains on the horizon. The surface of the road is great, it's almost perfectly maintained, and it's a single lane, so this happens. But the only real downside right now is this overcast weather. Apparently, a tropical depression has formed over the Bay of Bengal, and hence it's all cloudy. We just hope it doesn't start raining, because that will really take all the fun out of this trip. This section of the highway was truly well maintained. In fact, it was the best ride of our entire trip. The landscape was also breathtaking. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. After a really enjoyable ride, which lasted about a couple of hours, we finally reached Chilapata just before lunch.
So this fish is actually only found in the rivers of Dooars. This is known as Boroli. We are currently at Chilapata. The name of the place is Mendabari. Name of our homestay is Blue Homestay. This is the homestay. And we are currently having Boroli fish for lunch. That was a nice surprise. The Boroli is only found in the rivers of the Dooars region that stretch from West Bengal to Assam. The fish is locally caught, locally sourced, and so it's always fresh and it has a unique taste. So if you are planning to visit Dooars, you can put that on your list. You can ask the resort or homestay you are staying at if they can arrange it for you. It's definitely worth having, or worth trying once. So we were not expecting it at all. We didn't ask for it, but it was just, we were fortunate enough to get it for lunch. After reaching Chilapata, we just relaxed for the rest of the day. It was just a 3-hour journey from Murti, so we were not particularly tired, but there wasn't anything much to do around there. So the next time we meet, I am going to take you on a ride through the Boxa Tiger Reserve. So stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also press the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. And I cannot stress this enough. This channel is about you guys, so definitely leave me a comment. Let me know how am I doing. Is this what you want to see, or do you want to see something else? How can I change the video so that it will be more useful, more engaging for you? I look forward to seeing comments from you and getting to know what you actually think about the video. Thanks a lot.